Hello and welcome to PSL Disky Media. Orlando Pirates have agreed a fee of 51 million rands from MLS side Chicago Fire for defender Mbekezeli Mbokazi. So reports linked to the 20-year-old with an imminent departure after he was spotted at OR Tambo International Airport, attempting to make a low-key exit. Interest in Mbokazi has been simmering for months ever since his former coach Jose Riveiro thrust him into the spotlight last season. The young centre-back embraced the opportunity and rapidly grew into first-team regular and attracting attention abroad. Chicago have now won the race for his signature with a bid in the region of 51 million rands, $3 million ahead of the January transfer window. Mbokazi is expected to join the American club shortly after the African Cup of Nations in Morocco later this year in December and January, where he is widely tipped for a Bafana Bafana call-up from Hugo Bros. Before then, he will still set to feature for Pirates for their remaining domestic fixtures, including the Carling Knockout final against Marumo Gallants on the 6th of December at Peter Mokaba Stadium. Mbekezeli Mbokazi becomes the latest South African talent to head to the MLS following the recent moves of Oluwethu Makhanya, who's at Philadelphia Union, and Bongokuhle Hlongwane, who's at Minnesota United, Njabulo Blom, who was previously at St. Louis City, and also Cassius Mailula, who was at Toronto FC. Now Orlando Pirates are poised to complete another major outgoing transfer from their development ranks after winger Mohamed Kota joined Saudi Arabian side Al Ettifaq in June for a reported fee of 40 million rands. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Mbekezeli Mbokazi moving to the USA? Do you think that the environment in the MLS will be good for him, for his development? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. Mbekezeli Mbokazi's rise has been amazing. Remember, at the beginning of last season, he was still playing for the Orlando Pirates DDC side, the reserve side. And now, he has been captaining Orlando Pirates in some matches, as he has been named as the vice captain of Orlando Pirates and is a star man for Bafana Bafana side. So his rise has been impressive. Now we wish him all the best in Chicago. USA will be hosting a World Cup alongside Mexico and Canada next season, so this might be an opportunity for him to get scouted while playing in the MLS, because we know that a lot of eyeballs will be on the MLS. So let me hear your thoughts. Are you impressed by this transfer? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. See you next time.